Hi guys, welcome to another Seb Sesh. I'm Seb, head mixologist at Gym and Tonic, and today I want to invite you to take a ride with me, fear and loading style, with this delicious twist on a Singapore sling, which we like to call the Singapore Fling. So let's get our shakers ready. And for this cocktail, we're going to be using our lovely craft grapefruit and hop gin. Really nice and citrusy. I'm going to go ahead and add 50 ml to the mix. Next, we're going to be using London Amaro from Victory, and I'm going to add 20 ml to the shaker. Now, to create a bit of balance, I'm going to go ahead and add 10 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. And to balance that out, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 full tablespoon of honey. Feel free to substitute to agave. And I'm just going to swirl that a few times and melt it. Next, we're going to be adding a passion fruit mix, which is literally a blend of passion fruit puree. And I'm blending it with cold brewed peach tea. I'm adding 35 ml to the shaker. And now we're ready to ice it up and give it a firm shake. Doesn't require too much shaking, just 4 or 5 shakes would do. So for this cocktail, obviously we're going to be using a sling glass, same as the traditional. And I'm going to fill that up all the way to the top with ice. And we're just going to go ahead and double strain all the lovely mixture. And to finish it off, we're going to top up with just a few dashes of Prosecco. As a garnish, I'm going to go chromatic with a beautiful lemon wedge. And also, to impress the nose, 1 mint sprig to pack up all of that botanical flavor. So there we have it, guys. Fear and loading style, dangerously good, our famous Singapore Fling. Cheers, enjoy.